Hey traders, today is the 6th of June 2022. I promise I'm going to show you how am I going to make $1 million from the crypto market. First and foremost, you need to understand what kind of market condition we're in. Bitcoin, Ethereum, other crypto assets are already crashing, so we are actually in a bear market. I have been through 3 bear markets in my life. The first one is 2008. I was too young without knowledge, so I couldn't capitalize on that. 2018, the cryptocurrency bear market, I was able to capitalize in 2017 bull market, so I was okay in 2018. 2020, we had the COVID-19, so we saw the stock market corrected, and obviously the bear market actually ended on the cryptocurrency market, and I was able to capitalize and sold most of my asset in 2021 December, so I profited handsomely again. How did I sold off before the crash? It's all based on my trading plan from technical analysis. And this time round, I'm planning to do better. If any of this topic interests you, I'd love to personally invite you to join my community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So based on history, after a bear market, there's always a bull market to come back. And this time around, I see an even stronger bull market. Why do I say that? Recently, I read a book from Ray Dalio called Principle Changing World Order. US and China are challenging each other to become or maintaining the world leadership. So obviously China's rising power, US is still trying to maintain their leadership. So we are already seeing some kind of trade war, innovation, technological war. So, I want to focus on the innovation and the technology war between China and the US. Blockchain technology is something that I think is going to enhance our life in many ways. So I'm a big fan of the underlying technology behind cryptocurrency. China is not very friendly towards cryptocurrency. However, US is very supportive. You can see a lot of news in Miami trying to become the capital of crypto, etc., etc. So fundamentally, I think crypto has definitely got a bright future to it. So now we got the strong fundamental behind crypto. Let's get into my specialty, technical analysis. How you can use technical analysis to enhance your investment opportunity. First and foremost, in investing world, there's only one way to make money, which is buy low and sell high. But how do you define this as a low? We have a technical way to define that, which I have already done a video on my simple investing system, which I'll drop the link below. I think you want to check it out. I used that in 2020 and capitalized 500% return on the cryptocurrency coin. So it is a very simple system for beginners to learn. So you might want to check it out. I'll drop the link below. Secondly, once you define the low, you need to know how to dollar cost averaging on your investment and then manage your trade accordingly to maximize your profit. This needs to come in a bit more experience. However, you don't have to do it alone. I set up a very supportive community which we share trading idea and help our members if they have any question or may have any needs on their investment. They can interact with me or my team, ask any question they may have, okay? It is free to join our community. I'll drop the link in our description, or if you're watching it from Instagram, you can find the links in our bio. I'll get into the technical side now. So first and foremost, I want to start off with a monthly chart on TradingView, all right? So Bitcoin is actually still on a monthly uptrend. So, that's the higher high, and now it's just in a phase 2. So let's drop down to weekly and see the picture a bit clearer. I know in stock they said when you correct 25%, you're already in a bear market. We already corrected more than 50%. So the peak is 68,000 and the low of this year gone down to 25. price action currently is still very bearish anyway. You know, we're seeing a lot of selling still here, and now 1 or 2 weeks buying. I think maybe we're gonna see around 35, 36 area and then drop lower to test this 20,000 area. Okay, why 20,000 is important? Because you can see previously the previous high in 2017, 20k, it smashed through in 2020. Now I think it's likely to test. However, I think the 20,000 may not hold and then spike down to around this 14-15k, which will be the area that I am intending to buy more. I would try 20,000, but maybe when I buy in 20, I will protect my entry, and if it kicks me out, then I'll buy a lot more around this 14-15,000 area. Okay, if you are buying it at 14-15, how would you buy it? I think I would buy around 60%, because I quite like this area and be quite aggressive around this area. If it daily make a double bottom, I might buy the breakout and then lock my entry in here or protect some of it. So if according to plan, if you buy anything under 20k, about 16,000, what is the potential return? I think, you know, it would be good to aim for about 100k area. I think why 100k? 100k is a big, you know, it's a big psychological number, and technically we do have the momentum to do that if you follow the monthly trend. So let me show you how to do that. So monthly chart, you see when the correction end in 2018, it tried to push up and then eventually gone to 68. If we use the trend line and try and measure it around the 15k, if the bottom is 15k, you can see the potential upside is huge. It's over 200k. But obviously I would personally manage it, may take some profit or lock in some profit around 100k. We will use the whole market condition as a guide then anyway. The other things that I would say that the reason why I said the 20k may not hold this time round is because the whole stock market, S&P 500, Nasdaq, has been very bearish. So not until I can see some sort of change of behavior in there before I will consider investing on Bitcoin. All right. Moving on to Ethereum now. So Ethereum is a similar picture that we are still on a monthly uptrend. Boom, boom, boom. So we may test this previous high around the 1300, but I personally think this may break down to around the 600 mark. Let's drop down to weekly and have a quick look of that. So this is the weekly chart. You can see, zoom in a little bit more, we are still very bearish. The head and shoulder patterns broke through. Now we are only seeing the selling slowing down. We haven't seen any buying yet. This weekly green bar is not finished today, so we shall see. I think we may see a bounce because we have seen quite heavy selling, so we may see something like that. So here, tiny bit of bounce and then continue to test this. Will this 1300 hold? Is structurally not much, it's just there and there. So really I think we may see a spike down, so I'm not very eager to buy. I might buy some and take some profit or lock in afterward. I don't think 1300 is done. I mean, you may think, God, this correction is very heavy. This is cryptocurrency. So, you know, if you look at the 2017 when it reached 1500, it dropped back down to 90, 86. That is huge. You know, a huge correction is probably, was it 80 or 90% correction. So cryptocurrency had a tendency to do that. You know, if it's 4,000, 4,600 is the peak. Let me work out what is the 80% correction. 4,600. It's 920. So, you know, it wouldn't surprise me drop below that mark. So if you don't have the appetite over taking this kind of risks, then yeah, you really need to learn how to manage this accordingly, because cryptocurrency, it does move very, very quick. Okay, so Ethereum, I think under the 800 mark will be the area that I will start accumulating, because I just don't think this 1300 area will hold. Okay, but if you do buy in around this 700 area, my target on this is 10k. So you can already see that is, you know, more than 1300%, around 1300% return if you buy it around 700 area. So that's the plan on Ethereum. I will show you one more that is on my list on that. Litecoin is the one that I like to invest. I think the solid support area would be around the $24, which you tested in 2020, tested it in 2018 twice, so through here, and then it was here in 2017. So I think, you know, in this area is no man's land at the moment. In here, I think price is likely to draw into this area, which I'm quite happy to buy some around this area. With regards to Litecoin, where's to take profit, you know, it's probably good to just aim for the previous high area around the 400 area. But if you manage to do it at $25 and sell it at 400, that's at least, let me just work it out, 1600%, so 1600% return on your investment on Litecoin. Can it go higher? Yes, potentially, but you know, don't be too greedy. That is a huge amount of return. So I would definitely take profit on Litecoin. I'd rather, you know, trade some of the altcoins back to the previous all-time high and take some profit. That way I have some profit in my pocket, and then easier for me to manage, you know, on Bitcoin and Ethereum, aim for a more optimistic target such as the 100k or the 100k on Bitcoin, 10k on Ethereum. So that's my theory on that. So this is my example on investing on crypto. You can see my initial investment fund in here is 120k US dollar. And then if according to a plan with some dollar cost averaging, I will bring in over $1 million US through here, which that is part of the plan. So it is possible if you investing with the right strategy and maybe the right community behind you, you'll be able to capitalize on this. Bear in mind, this is just one of the example. I have other things like some of the high risk stock, low risk stock that I already done, and my full crypto plan instead, because I can always invest in other cryptocurrency as well. So this is my plan on how to make $1 million on cryptocurrency. To be honest with you, I think probably I can capitalize it on it more, because I'm only showing you 3 coins and I am intended to invest a bit more than the allocated amount on crypto and other stocks as well. If you become my members, I'll share everything to you when I see a good opportunity, or whenever I enter, how I protect and manage my trade, take profit, everything will be in my community. So once again, I'll drop the link in our description, or you can find it in the bios. So thank you very much for spending time with me. If you do have any question, you're welcome to drop me a comment and I shall do my very best to help you. So until next time, happy trading, healthy investing. Thank you.